First, rewrite the cube root as an exponent of 1/3. Next, rewrite the square root of b as b to the power of 1/2. Inside the parentheses, b to the power of 1 times b to the power of 1/2 simplifies to b to the power of 3/2. Now multiply the exponents. 3/2 times 1/3. This simplifies to b to the power of 1/2 equals 9. To isolate b, square both sides of the equation. This gives us b equals 81. Let's check our answer. The cube root of 81 times the square root of 81 equals the cube root of 81 times 9, which equals the cube root of 729, which equals 9. Therefore, the solution is b equals 81. First, rewrite the square root as an exponent of 1/2. Next, rewrite the cube root of c as c to the power of 1/3. Express c cubed as c to the 9/3 power. Inside the parentheses, c to the power of 9/3 times c to the power of 1/3 simplifies to c to the power of 10/3. Now, multiply the exponents. 10/3 times 1/2. This simplifies to c to the power of 5/3 equals 8. Raise both sides of the equation to the power of 3/5 to isolate c. This simplifies to c equals 8 to the power of 3/5. We can also rewrite this as 2 cubed to the power of 3/5, which equals 2 to the power of 9/5. Therefore, the solution is C equals 2 to the power of 9/5. First, rewrite the outer square root as an exponent of 1/2. Next, rewrite the inner square root of d cubed as d cubed to the power of 1/2. This simplifies to d times d to the power of 3/2, all raised to the power of 1/2 equals 27. Express d as d to the power of 2/2. Now, inside the parenthesis, d to the power of 2/2 times d to the power of 3/2 is d to the power of 5/2. Multiplying the exponents, we have d to the power of 5/4 equals 27. Raise both sides of the equation to the power of 4/5 to isolate d. This simplifies to d equals 27 to the power of 4/5, which is the same as 3 cubed to the power of 4/5. Therefore, d equals 3 to the power of 12/5. Therefore, the solution is d equals 3 to the power of 12/5.